We will starting the laboratory second of microbiology course. Today we will learn about performing the preparation and sterilization of culture media. After which we will be isolating the pure culture, which is from mixed culture of pure water and old media culture inoculated with the stagnant water. We can grow the microbial culture in two different ways. First in liquid media and second on solid media. So according to the requirement of different needs, we can grow the microbial culture in liquid media or in solid media, and this will be discussed later. So we have nutrient broth as a liquid media which has peptone, sodium chloride, beef extract and yeast extract. Second one we have, that is nutrient agar, which has all the components for nutrient broth agar, which will act as a solidifying agent component. Prepare nutrient broth and nutrient agar media. For preparing nutrient broth media, uh, around 100 ml of media is required for 20 test tube. So 5 ml of media per tube. So we are weighing around 1.3 gram of nutrient broth, and then we are dissolving it into 100 ml of water. And second is nutrient agar media. About 200 ml of nutrient agar will be required for 8 to 10 plates. Thus 2.8 gram of agar was weighed and it was dissolved in 100 ml of water. After addition of water to the nutrient broth media, it look like hazy, but after stirring it, the broth will get dissolved and it look like clear. But this is not in case of nutrient agar, because as we know agar is insoluble in water. After addition of nutrient agar to the water, it look like undissolved and hazy, and thus need some heating. Now we have to prepare broth tubes, and so the next video is showing the preparation of broth tubes. Around 20 tubes of nutrient broth are prepared, and they are filled, and the cotton plugs are also applied. The nutrient agar media with the undissolved agar and the 20 tubes which has a nutrient broth, all are ready for the autoclave. Before starting the autoclave, all the tubes containing nutrient broth and nutrient agar will be placed, and autoclave will be started. This is our laminar air flow hood. We will be wiping its working area. First, we will clean our PPE kit, which contains gloves, mask and lab coats. Then we will turn on the light inside the hood, set the laminar airflow. Then we will open the hood by placing by opening its door on the top. Then keep all your equipments like pipettes, tips, freshly prepared media inside the hood. Then clean the surface of the hood with 75% of ethanol, and then close the hood. Turn on the UV light at least for 15 minutes for UV sterilization. After completion of 15 minutes, turn off the UV light and open the hood again. After which we will start by wiping our hands. We will light up the burner and we will take the flask. Remove the cotton plug. Then first heat up the neck of the flask and start pouring the agar media into the petri dish till the surface of the dish is completely covered with a height of approximately 2 to 3 mm. Then evenly distribute the media inside the petri dish and move to the next petri dish. After pouring the media into the all petri dish for drying under the airflow and turn on the UV light for 15 minutes. First, we will doing the streaking plate method of distributing the single colony from a culture. As you can see the in right hand side of the tube which contain our starting culture from which we will isolating the pure culture. First, we will dip our inoculation loop into the ethanol and then we will put into the flame till it become the red hot. After keeping the inoculation loop into the air for 2 to 3 seconds, we will touch it to the agar plate. The inoculation loop should be cool enough to be dipped into the culture media. Then we will dip into the streaking culture media and start streaking. You can see the streaking procedure as shown in video. After which we will again burn the inoculation loop into the flame to sterilize it. Then we will do spreading of culture. It is done to evenly distribute a culture from a single colony isolation. We will took around 10 microdrop sample and added into the center of petri dish. Then we will dip our glass spreader into the ethanol and followed by into the flame to kill the microorganism which is present on the spreader. After 5 seconds of After 5 seconds in flame, we will carefully touch the spreader again to the agar plate and observe if there is any burn mass and sound. As it will shown in our spreader is hot, then we will start spreading from between and will spread according to the manner till the drop of media dried up. Then we will again sterilize the spreader and move the next plate after making the plates. Last is the inoculating the culture. First we will take the starting culture tube and from that starting culture tube around 10 microtrough culture we will take and will transfer that 10 microtrough culture into the new tube. At the end we will put the tubes and plates into the incubator as shown.